Hi, this question appeared in JEE Advanced 2022 in its second paper. So basically we have to find out the area of a region. So it is an integer type question. The question is from the topic areas and definite integration we can say. Alright, so let us go ahead and solve this question. But before we do that, I would strongly recommend all of you to pause this video at this moment and give this question a try. So f of x is given and the domains of both the functions are r and ranges are r. Alright, and g of x is this. So let us look at g of x. So for mod x less than 3 by 4, so what is that? Let us plot the graph also. So mod x less than 3 by 4 means the between 3 by 4 and minus 3 by 4. G of x takes this function, and for mod x greater than 3 by 4, that means above 3 by 4 and below minus 3 by 4. I mean on the right hand side of 3 by 4, on the left hand side of 3 by 4, the value of the function is 0. So this part is 0 and this part is 0. Alright, now here again there are two cases. If x greater than 0, function will be 2 into 1 minus, if x greater than 0, mod x is same as x. If x less than 0, it will be 2 into mod x is minus x, so 1 plus 4x by 3. Alright, for x greater than 0, this is the function. When you put x is equal to 0, the value is 2. So somewhere here the function is a straight line like this. Alright, and for x less than 0, it looks something like this. If you plot this, it is a straight line which passes through these 2 points. Alright, this is g of x. Whatever red curve we have drawn is g of x. Now let us draw f of x. What is f of x? X square plus 5 by 12. When x is equal to 0, f of 0 is 5 by 12. So 5 by 12 lies somewhere here. So let us draw f of x with another color. So it is a parabola that looks something like this. Now what is the area that we have to find out? So the area that we have to find out is mod x less than or equals to 3 by 4. So it should lie between minus 3 by 4 and plus 3 by 4. And 0 less than or equal to, it should lie above x-axis, and minimum of f of x and g of x. This is f of x, this is g of x. So minimum we have to take. So this is minimum till this point, and after that blue becomes minimum, and again here red becomes minimum. So this green area is what we have to find out. Alright, okay. So let us go ahead and find out what this intersection point is. So the right hand side curve is 2 into 1 minus 4x by 3, I mean the red curve, and the blue curve is x square plus 5 by 12. So this is 2 minus 8x upon 3 is equal to x square plus 5 by 12. So multiply both sides with 12. So this will be 24 minus 32x is equals to 12x square plus 5. So 12x square plus 32x minus 19 is equal to 0. So 12x square, so we should get 32 as the sum and product is 19 into 12. So this can be written as 38x minus 6x minus 19 is equals to 0. So 2x into 6x plus 19 minus 1 into 6x plus 19 is equals to 0. So 2x minus 1 into 6x plus 19 is equal to 0. This will give the x value as negative, but we are solving for this point, so x should be positive. So x is equals to half. So x coordinate of this point is 1 by 2. So now what will be our area? Integral 0 to 1 by 2 g of x, sorry, f of x, 0 to 1 by 2 f of x, that is this particular area, plus the area of this particular triangle, all right, plus the area of this particular triangle, area of triangle. And we have the same area this side also, so we have to multiply this thing with 2. This will be the total area. Okay, now let us find out the area of the triangle. Area of triangle, it is a right angle triangle, so it will be half into base is 3 by 4 minus 1 by 2, that is 1 by 4, into height, x is 1 by 2, so from this equation we can find out what is y. 2 into 1 minus 4 into 1 by 2 is 2 by 3. 2 into 1 minus 2 by 3 is 1 by 3, so 2 by 3. Height is 2 by 3. Half base into height is the area of the triangle. This 2 and this 2 will get cancelled, so area is 1 by 12. So this is 2 into integral 0 to 1 by 2 f of x is x square plus 5 by 12 dx, plus this area is 1 by 12. So let us solve this. So this is x cube by 3 plus 5 by 12 x from 0 to half plus 1 by 12. Let us put the upper limit half in that 2 times. So this will be 1 by 8 into 3 plus 5 by 12 x plus 5 by 12 into half. Correct? When you put 0, this entire expression will be 0 plus 1 by 12. Let us bring in, okay, the LCM here is 24. 1 plus 5 plus 2, there is 2 outside. So this is 12. 5 plus 2 is 7 plus 1 is 8. 8 upon 12 is the area. And what is asked to find out? 9 alpha. 9 times of area. 9 into 8 by 12. 3 3s 9. 3 4s 12. 4 1s 4 2s. So the answer is 6.